Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track personal records on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need a Pro subscription to be able to use the application, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you open up the application for the first time. So once you've gotten that ready, we can get started using the application. Right here in the bottom right corner, we have the theme section that's going to enable us to select our theme that we want to go ahead and be a part of and whose workouts we are going to follow, and then we can get started accessing the workouts right here on the home page. So you can track your personal records and strength trends directly within the Ladder journal found in your profile. So basically guys, here in the upper right corner you can open up your profile and you're going to have your journal from where you can get started following everything and your exercises that you have. And as you can see, once you tap on the workout you're following, you're going to see all the exercises and your journal by clicking on them, where you can go and take a look at your history. You can select your sets, time, add any notes if you wish to, and so on. And that is how to track personal records. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.